Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about how will you communicate or how will you ask the questions while you are in the restaurant for having your dinner or lunch. So let's see which type of sentences you can use for asking the menu or asking the food which you want to buy. So I'm going to tell you some sentences. You will understand very easily because the sentences are very simply written and the sentences are really simply structured. So first of all you can ask, may you have the menu right away? আপনাদের কি খাবারের মেনুর যে তালিকাটা এটা কি আছে? I'm saying this again. May you have the menu right away? May you have the menu right away? Or you can say more easily, do you have any menu? Then, would you care for some roast? Would you care for some roast? আপনি কি roast খেতে পছন্দ করবেন? For example, the salesman is saying to you, how do you like your steak? আপনি কোন ধরনের মাংস খেতে চান? How do you like your steak? I would prefer it medium. আমি মাঝারি ধরনের একটি সাইজ পছন্দ করব। I would like or I would prefer it medium. Then you can say, would you like to have soup? Would you like to have soup? আপনি কি স্যুপ পছন্দ করবেন or আপনি কি স্যুপ নেবেন? What vegetables would you like with your dinner? আপনার ভোজের সাথে বা আপনার খাবারের সাথে কোন ধরনের সবজি আপনি যোগ করতে চান? What vegetables or what type of vegetables would you like to add in your menu? I believe I will take Bengali dinner tonight. আমি আজ রাতে বাঙালি খাবার খেতে চাই। I believe I will take Bengali dinner tonight. এটার মানে আমি আজকে রাতে বাঙালি খাবার খেতে চাই। So if you can just learn these few sentences, only then very easily you can communicate with the people who are in the restaurant or the waiter. You can communicate with the waiter. So we know that in Dhaka and some other city corporation areas there are some restaurants are there which is completely spoken English oriented. I mean, if you go to the restaurant, you have to communicate in English because lots of tourists, lots of foreigners are coming these restaurants, and that's why they prefer to speak in English. That's why if you go to this restaurant, then obviously you have to speak in English. So these sentences is very easy, and you can use these sentences for communicating with the waiter and to anyone in the restaurant. So thank you for today. We will discuss later.